is Rifa Mutmainah, and today I would like to present a summary of research article in chemistry education. The title of the article is "The Mnemonic Correction Becomes Meaningful Through Focus Group Discussion in Chemistry Learning", written by Srivirnani and Shahrial, and published in Journal Tadris Kimia 2022. The purpose of this presentation is to explain the key points of the article, including the background, research method, finding, and conclusion. The study addressed the problem of low academic achievement and lack of meaningfulness among chemistry education students, which might contribute to high dropout rates. According to the author, previous students have shown that chemistry is often seen a difficult subject to do its abstract concept, and that traditional teaching method might not fully support studying understanding. The main research question is: can the mnemonic tutorial method improve academic performance and meaningfulness in chemistry education students? The purpose of this research is to evaluate whether the use the mnemonic in tutorial can enhance student retention and promote meaningful learning. The research used a quasi-experimental design with a single group pretest and post-test approach. The participants in this study were 250 second-year chemistry education students at Yusuf Maitama Sule University, Kano, and Nigeria. They were selected using pervasive sampling from a population of 1,002 students that were collected using 5-page mindfulness questionnaire, which had a reliability coefficient of 85 and academic record to measure academic achievement. The procedure involved training the top 5 students serve as tutorial master, would then use mnemonic to teach difficult chemistry topics to their peers in group of 50. These topics were selected based on feedback from low-performing students. Pre-test and post-test measure the impact on both academic performance and meaningfulness. The main findings of the study were that while mnemonics were generally helpful, some students created meaningless or culturally inappropriate mnemonics, such as one referencing guilty health drinks. The research suggests that although mnemonics are useful tools, they need to be mindful and culturally appropriate to be effective. The author found that such mnemonics could negatively affect student perception, especially when they conflicted with health or religious values. The research suggests that although mnemonics are useful tools, they need to be mindful and culturally appropriate to be effective. In the discussion, the research explained that focus group discussions were used to address and correct inappropriate mnemonics through cognitive conflict. They emphasize the importance of using local cultural values in mnemonic creation to support Ausubel theory of meaningful learning. The study also warned against uncritically adopting content of digital media. In conclusion, the study showed that the mnemonic tutorial method can significantly improve both academic performance and meaningfulness when implemented truthfully. The author highlights the importance of creating ethical, culturally alike, and health-conscious mnemonic, especially for pre-service teachers. This research contributes to chemistry education by demonstrating that meaningful learning can be achieved through culturally relevant pedagogy, critical media literacy, and peer-based tutorial. The summary: this article provides useful insight into how mnemonic, when carefully created and supported by focus group discussion, can enhance learning in chemistry education. The finding can be applied to improve teaching strategies, especially in contexts where abstract scientific concepts are difficult to grasp. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope this presentation was informative and inspire further reflection on innovative method in science education.